Introduction: Why customize app notifications?
Personalizing notifications in language learning apps helps families create consistent study habits. Instead of generic reminders, tailored alerts can be scheduled for times when everyone is available, making practice sessions enjoyable rather than disruptive. Custom notifications also help keep children motivated, ensuring progress and shared success over time.
Finding notification settings in popular apps.
Leading children's language learning apps like Duolingo Kids, Gus on the Go, and Lingo Kids include built-in notification settings. These are usually found in the app's settings or parental controls section. Look for options labeled reminders or notifications. Here you can turn notifications on or off and often set preferred days and times for alerts.
Choosing the right reminder frequency.
Set reminders that match your family's daily routine. Too many notifications can be overwhelming, while too few might make it easy to forget practice. Most apps allow you to choose daily, weekly, or custom intervals. Consider your child's attention span and select times that fit naturally, like after breakfast or before bed, to build positive habits.
Personalizing notification content and tone.
Some apps let you customize the wording and tone of notifications. Friendly, encouraging reminders instead of generic alerts can make study time feel inviting. If allowed, edit messages to use your child's name or reference current learning goals. This adds a personal touch and helps children look forward to language learning together.
Involving the whole family.
Shared alerts encourage group participation. Many apps allow multiple profiles or shared devices, so the whole family can receive reminders at the same time. Discuss notification settings together and let children have input. This fosters a sense of ownership, making language learning a positive, collaborative experience for everyone.
Monitoring and adjusting notifications.
Regularly review notification settings as your family's schedule evolves. If reminders become less helpful or are ignored, try adjusting the timing or message. Most apps let you pause or mute notifications during vacations or busy periods. Flexibility ensures that reminders continue to support, not disrupt, your family's language learning journey.